This is my self-made sluice box, and it has been made with plywood, wood, aluminium electric conduits, conduit holders, rubber mats, metal grills, plumbing parts and screws, bolts and other fittings. Let's see more in details what we have here. The length of the sluice is 2 meters, the width is 25 centimeters and the height 15 centimeters. There are wooden supports underneath, and also on top of the sluice there are wooden handlebars. Also on the side of the sluice box there are pipe holders for the legs. On top of the sluice box there is a hole and clamps for the water connection. Also there is a holder for the rubber mat. The legs are made of 2 aluminium conduits. The sluice box is resting on the clamps and they can be adjusted in order to adjust the height from the ground. Feeder box is also made of plywood. It also has hole and clamps for the water outlet, holder for the rubber mat and slots where metal grill can be placed. The middle leg holders are installed so that when the middle legs are straight upright, the sluice box itself will be inclined 15%. For the bigger stones that will roll on the metal grill, there is a guide that can direct stones either on the right side or on the left side of the sluice box.